Happy Thanksgiving, everyone. We hope you're having a great day. While you're sitting on your couch in your stretchy pants in your food coma, debating on whether or not to get that third piece of pie, we here at Ohio Power Tool just wanted to tell you what power tools we're thankful for. Nick, what power tool are you thankful for?
I would say I'm thankful for the saw stop table saw.
Drills, because they're the only ones I've ever used.
Jay, what power tool are you thankful for?
The M12 hatchet. It's great for typing.
Michael, what power tool are you thankful for?
My Milwaukee Hex Impact.
Meatball,
Wait, I'm not ready.
what power tool are you thankful
I'm
for?
not ready. You know, I'm just thankful for the Milwaukee 16-inch chainsaw.
What power tool are you thankful for?
A hacksaw.
The D handle impact.
Come on.
Chainsaw.
Fan, what power tool are you thankful for?
Oh God, does it have to be a power tool
Yes.
specifically?
Yes.
I don't use tools.
Does my hair dryer count?
No.
A hammer?
Fine. Caitlin,
Harley.
what power tool are you thankful for?
Oh my gosh. The M18 Force Logic 6-ton utility crimper. It's sleek, it's ergonomical, has a 340-degree rotating head, completely sets it apart from the competition. I can do around 250 crimps per charge. It's amazing. You have to buy.
I'm thankful for Milwaukee laser levels.
Luna, what's your favorite power tool?
Hey, it doesn't matter what power tool you use, as long as you stay safe.
What?
Just like this.
Oh my. AJ, what power tool are you thankful for?
Circular saw.
What power tool are you thankful for?
Milwaukee half-inch drill.
All right.
My favorite power tool is a Sawzall for raw destructive power.
I'm thankful for the 30-degree framing nailer. Let us know in the comments below what you're thankful for. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure you like, subscribe, and ring that bell to stay up to date on all things OPT. Now go get that third piece of pie, and happy Thanksgiving.
17, hot July moon, saw everything.